How to install Signal application on your desktop or Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Go ahead and open up a web browser first on your device, and then in the URL box type in signal.org and search. You'll then end up in this official web page of Signal. Go to the top of the screen and click on Get Signal. And now go to the right hand corner where you see the Signal for Desktop option. Click on Download for Windows, and the Signal setup file will be downloaded in a bit. Wait for the download to complete. Once it is done, click on Open File, and this will begin the setup process. Now you'll see the Signal shortcut in your desktop. Just click on it to open it up. A QR code will appear on your desktop or your PC. Now you need to go open up your Signal app on your phone and then scan this QR code to log in from your desktop. So that is how you download and install the Signal application on your PC or your laptops. It can be done on your Windows 10 or 11, and that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.